Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. So you see it in your Instagram on your iPhone. So how you can fix it? So mostly it happened because you have some problems with your internet connection. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, just tap on the settings. And in the settings you need to find here, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, if you have another Wi-Fi network, just try to connect to another Wi-Fi network. And also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this error, so just go to mobile data and try to use mobile data, just turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can reconnect your network by tapping on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to reopen your app, so just close it from multitask and just open again. And if you still have this issue, so just go back and just go to App Store, just tap on search tab, and in the search you just need to write Instagram here. So just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your iPhone on your Instagram. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.